Hello everyone, this is Raj and you all are watching the Civil Network YouTube channel. Let's see how much you will score. Question number 1. If the diameter of a rivet is more than 25 mm, the diameter of rivet hole as compared to the nominal diameter of the rivet will be. Correct answer is more than 2 mm. Question number 2. When the bolts are subjected to reversal of stresses, the most suitable type of bolt is. Correct answer is high strength bolt. Question number 3. A steel member which is subjected to primary tension is called as. Correct answer is tie. Question number 4. Effective length of a column is the length between the point of. Correct answer is 0 moment. Question number 5. The slenderness ratio of the lacing bar should not be greater than. Correct answer is 145. Question number 6. Which of the following types of the rivet joint is free from bending stress? Correct answer is double cover plate butt joint. Question number 7. In plastic design, load factor is defined as the ratio of. Correct answer is ultimate load to working load. Question number 8. A steel beam supporting loads from the floor slab as well as from the wall is termed as. Correct answer is spandrel beam. Question number 9. The effective length of a compression member of length L held in position and restrained in the direction at both ends is. Correct answer is 0.67 L. Question number 10. A column splice is used to increase. Correct answer is length of the column. Question number 11. Which of the following sections should preferably be used at place where torsion occurs? Correct answer is box type section. Question number 12. In roof trusses, the most frequent used section is. Correct answer is two angle section placed back to back. Please like and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel for more civil engineering MCQ quizzes. Question number 13. Lacing bars in steel columns are to be designed for dash of the axial load of column. Correct answer is 2.5%. Question number 14. The moment of the couple set up in a section of a beam by the longitudinal compressive and tensile force is known as. Correct answer is moment of resistance. Question number 15. Which type of stiffener is used to prevent local crushing of the web due to concentrated load? Correct answer is bearing stiffener. Question number 16. Which method is mainly adopted for design of steel structure as per IS code? Correct answer is limit state method. Question number 17. The effective length of a fillet weld should not be less than. Correct answer is 4 times the weld size. Question number 18. Which of the following condition is to be satisfied both in elastic and plastic analysis? Correct answer is equilibrium condition. Question number 19. Horizontal stiffener in a plate girder is provided to safeguard against web buckling due to. Correct answer is bending compression. Question number 20. The gantry girders are designed to resist the. Correct answer is lateral, longitudinal and vertical loads. Question number 21. The shape factor for the standard rolled beam section varies from. Correct answer is 1.10 to 1.20. Question number 22. Partial safety factor for materials when resistance is governed by ultimate stresses given by. Correct answer is 1.25. Question number 23. As per IS 800-2007, the design strength of a tension member is given by a minimum of. Correct answer is all of the above. Question number 24. What will be the minimum size of fillet weld if the plate thickness is less than 10 mm? Correct answer is 3 mm. Question number 25. The maximum slenderness ratio for tension members shall not be greater than. Correct answer is 400.